इंडिया में सभी का स्वागत है। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन का आयोजन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया जी ने किया था। महिलाओं को प्रेरणा देने के लिए इन्होंने ये इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन 4 और रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन अचीवर अवार्ड का आयोजन 3 और 4 अगस्त को क्लब एमरल्ड मुंबई भारत में किया गया था। The Topaz event present Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen 2024 सीजन 4 में थीला मलेशिया, सबटाइटल गोल्डन हार्ट, विनर टाइटल मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन फैबुलस विनर 2024 यह किताब जीते।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queens Season 4. And here I'm with Thila, all the way from Malaysia. Thila, firstly, we're thrilled to have you here. And I would like to ask you, what's the most beautiful part that you've liked about this pageant so far?
Definitely, there's a lot to say about this pageant. But the most beautiful part is I made a lot of friends. I got a lot of love from here, and especially Dr. Neelam. She has given all us support and has been there for us. And coming all the way, I did not feel anything like tired or like time. I was looking forward to this trip, and I know more or less that this is going to be something very extraordinary, but I did not expect it to be to this much. And this is my lifetime thing to remember. I really appreciate every single moment from the time I landed in Mumbai airport. This is my achievement, and I thank every one of my pageant sisters for giving the support, and we have been so close these past 2 days. I felt home. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Firstly, Thila, it's a pleasure to have you here. And yeah, as you mentioned, there are a lot of things you've enjoyed today. But yeah, when you're going back, so along with winning, you're winning like a lot of friends also, and you're going back in your country. So that's really nice. Thank you. We're pleased to have you here. Thank you so much. Thila, today everyone has won a title. What subtitle have you won today?
I won her title for Golden Heart.
Oh my god, that absolutely goes by you. That's really nice. How do you feel winning the subtitle of having a golden heart?
No words to say. Definitely no words to say. Um, whoever decided to give me this title, Golden Heart, they must have a gold heart in them. Yes. That's all.
दुनिया भर के 10 देशों में से महिलाओं ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। महिला सशक्तिकरण और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण के साथ भाईचारे के सामाजिक उद्देश्यों का जश्न मनाया गया।
He's from Malaysia, the youngest singer, independent artist, and he sings amazing songs. Yes, and we have fans from even Canada. Sajmi can vouch for that. More than how many views you have for likes you have?
Not so much. It's just 7 million something. Okay, but I'm sorry, but you can't understand because I'm Tamil people. So I just dedicate this song for you. My favorite song from South Indian movie. Okay, so மறுவார்த்தை பேசாதே மடி மீது நீ தூங்கிடு இமை போல நான் காக்க மழையாய் நீ மாறிடு மயத்தோகை போலே விரலுன்னை வருடும். Thank you, and this song for you all. तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं. That's all I know. Thank you so much.
यह वैश्विक मंच पर कॉस्मेटिक डेंटल सर्जन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया और द टोपाज इवेंट द्वारा आयोजित स्टार स्टडेड कार्यक्रम था।
My name is Silagavati Karmegam and I'm from Malaysia.
I'm a full-time legal secretary and I'm very active in social and community service. I believe in women empowerment and currently I'm in a mission to create awareness on childhood cancer. Recently, I've won a Women Icon Award for emerging woman leader in social work. That award speaks itself for my achievements and involvement. Thank you. Ma'am, we are very sorry to say that we may lose your son today. He's in a critical condition. No, no, why? 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 This is not the time to cry. Your son needs you. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Yes, I have to pick my pieces up. I have to pieces up. He needs me. He really needs me. I have to be strong for him. I have to be strong for him. Ma'am, we are very happy to say that we managed to save your son. He's fine now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I feel the joy, the happiness of giving birth to him today. But the only thing is that you, doctor, who have placed him in my arms today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to record that, put it on record that what I have to hear is my real life story. My son was diagnosed with cancer at the age of 8 and went through a journey, tough journey. And because of that, I got myself involved with children with cancer, and I will very definitely going to do more for them. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You are equally very gorgeous today.
Thank you. All right. So I would want to ask you something. Since you're looking very gorgeous, what according to you is more important? Beauty of look or beauty of mind?
Thank you, ma'am. It's a very good mind triggering question. Thank you again for that. For me, beauty is mind because when our mind is clean, clear, that's called beauty. Thank you.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Platinum category, and here she wins the subtitle of having the most golden heart, just like her outfit. Her heart like oozing out.
Malaysia is a multiracial and multicultural country. Malays, Indian, Chinese, and the people of various other ethnicities live together in peace and harmony. Our diversity of cultures makes Malaysia not only a food lover's heaven, but also one of the few countries with hundreds of celebrations and festivities all year around. The largest group of Malaysians consists of three main races, namely the Malays, Chinese, and the Indians. The beautiful, colorful beads adorning the chest is 100% handmade by Dayak tribe from the East Malaysia. The national costume is a combination of all three major races of Malaysia. The material used is called songket, which is usually by the Malays for their traditional attire called baju kurung. The motifs of the songket represents the weavers' appreciations of their surrounding and influenced by the natural talent of the craftsmen. The fan in the hand symbolizes the Chinese culture. Originally, the Chinese fan is not only used for relieving summer heat, but also for symbolizing the status and the power of the user. The material is transformed into a beautiful sari, which is a traditional attire of the Indian culture. Sari is not just a piece of cloth, it's an expression of a woman's identity, grace, and elegance. Adoring this beautiful costume, here are the hibiscus flowers which is called Bungaraya in Malaya. It's also our national flower. The fabulous winner for the platinum category goes to contestant number 18, Tilagavati Karmegam from Malaysia. Congratulations on winning the title, the fabulous winner from the platinum category.
My name is Tilagavati. I am from Malaysia. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my husband for being so supportive and encouraging throughout the pageant. And secondly, Ms. Sunosini Dhanabalan and DVIP Event Management, because without them, I would not have been here in this pageant. And also Dr. Neelam Paradia for all this beautiful and very well organized pageant. I feel very proud, and this is definitely a very proud moment, not only for myself, for my country too. And I made a lot of friends. And probably, that I'm not going to advise for any woman out there, but my advice is to all men out there. Every man, if you can respect the woman in your home and give them some encouragement, we women can do a lot of things in our life. We can achieve. Age is not a barrier, and even our circumstances is not a barrier to anything for achievement in life. What I'm asking is, do not bound the woman. Please support them and give them the encouragement they need. They will excel in life. Thank you.
मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन सीजन 4 का आयोजन बेहद सफल रहा और इसके साथ हम अभी के लिए अलविदा लेते हैं। सीएम न्यूज इंडिया, मुंबई।